Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sensational Locks, and I am back with another quick video. This one's showing y'all a seamless natural lock reattachment that you don't want to miss. So I'm just giving y'all a quick look at the locks that I'm going to reattach. This is probably the oddest request that I've ever received for lock reattachment. I'm not gonna lie. Typically the person would like for me to reconstruct the locks, repair them, make them more uniform so that they are all the same size, but as you can see, we are not doing that today. There are varying lengths, varying sizes all around as far as thickness is concerned. He didn't want any repairs. This is going to be a challenge. I want it to look as good as possible. I have already detoxed these locks, and then I have prepped them by opening the top so that I can attach them to the loose hair that the client has. Y'all, we gonna go from here. Okay, so scratch all that. We were able to convince the client to let us do some repairs, thicken the locks so that they would be even across. Actually, what happened is he walked in and he saw some lock extensions that I was creating for another client, which you guys will be seeing soon. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you need to go ahead and do that now. It's part of the giveaway, so you might as well go ahead and do that and catch up on some things. But we were able to go ahead and, like I said, repair the lock, make it a little bit more even. I was like super relieved because I was gonna try to make it work, y'all, but I wasn't sure. Y'all probably would have never saw it, but here we are now. This client did have some trouble areas. You can see the client has some length, but like I said, there are some trouble areas. So it looks like he has some male pattern baldness going on here. We did talk about this beforehand. Talked to the client about his braids and how I felt like they were extremely too tight, and if this is what he did the entire time that he was growing his hair, it explains why he still has these issues. But hopefully with reinstalling his locks, he's gonna make some changes, and if he does have male pattern baldness, that may be something that he can't help. So, but if it's traction alopecia, he definitely can make some lifestyle changes. Yeah, so we got him all reattached seamlessly, looking good. He did have a row in the back where, from braiding is what I'm gonna say, where it had been pulled out and it was too much breakage, too short, where I couldn't securely attach it. I didn't feel confident in attaching it, so I did not attach it, and I will not attach it. Hair has to be a certain length, but yeah, they came out awesome, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you guys over on Instagram as well. That giveaway is still in full effect. Don't miss your chance to enter, and I'll see you guys in my next video.